Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will discuss how versioning can be done in Power Automate. As we all know, versioning is not supported in Power Automate, but there are always alternative of achieving the same. One approach is to export your flows from time to time and save them on your OneDrive. On the other way around, if we can do the same thing automatically, and that too with the help of Power Automate itself, so this could save lot of our time. So let's see how we can automatically maintain the copy of a flow or a Power Automate. Let's move to the agenda. So I will be showing this how we can achieve the versioning in Power Automate in a form of a demo. But before jumping to this demo, let's discuss the actions that I have used in my flow, just to give you the overview of it. So I have used two actions. One is to get the information, and the second is to create flow, is to basically create the duplicate copy of the flow, so that versions can be maintained for a single flow. So let's quickly move to the demo part of it. So this is my source flow testing project online integration with Teams. And as you can see, like there are different versions of the same flow. So let's see how I have achieved this. So this is my flow that I have used to create different versions of this flow. So let me edit this flow and show you. So I have manually triggered this flow. In your case, you can also schedule this flow on a certain duration that suits you. And then I have used this get flow action. So to add this get flow action, you need to just click this add button, add to actions, and you need to type in Power Automate Management, and you need to select Power Automate Management. Over here you can see all these actions: get flow, create flow. So you can choose these actions from here. So once you select this get flow action, you need to select the environment. So in my case, environment is ABC default. I have selected ABC default as environment. After that, I have selected my flow, the source flow, for which I need to maintain the copies or the versions. And then I have added an apply to each loop, and I have passed the connection reference of the source flow, the get flow. And I have added one more action, create flow. This will basically create the copy of the source flow. In this, again, I need to pass the environment. In my case, the environment is same, source and destination both. So environment is ABC default, and then I need to pass the display name and flow definition. So display name, flow definition, connection name, and connection ID, these parameter can be passed by just clicking this text box, and this dynamic content will open. And from here, you can choose flow display name, flow definition, and connection name and connection ID. And then you need to just save this flow. So this flow will get the information of the source flow, and then it will create the copy of the source flow. So let's see how this flow will run. It's saved successfully. Then I will do the testing of this flow. To test this flow, I will manually trigger this flow and click on test button, and then I will run the flow. No, flow is running, and it's successfully done. So let's see. I will again go to my flows. As you can see, a new version is already created for this flow, the current 5 seconds ago. So this is how we can maintain versioning in Power Automate. And this approach is also helpful when you need to move your flows from one environment to the another environment. Basically, from if you want to move your flow from test environment to the production environment, then you can also follow this same approach for achieving the same. So thank you guys for watching my video. In case you like this video, do like, share, and subscribe.